Good morning, class 8th. I hope all my kids are doing fine and healthy at your home or at your place. So, class 8th, recently we had half yearly examination of SST, and we all know that the paper was divided into two parts. Number A was your objective type test, and number B was your subjective type test. So, in our today's session, we will be discussing the answers of objective type tests, which carries 10 marks, and there were 10 questions. So, now let's begin with the discussion. Certain instructions were given, and I hope you all have read the instructions as well as you all have followed the instructions properly. Now I made sure that you have entered your name correctly as well as your class and section. Now, talking the first question, the cons belong to, so the answer to this was Gujarat. The cons belong to Gujarat. The option number A was the correct answer of question number 1. Next question is, what is cultivation of grapes called? So you have to tell me among the following option, what is the cultivation of grapes for? So is it sericulture? No. Sericulture means the cultivation of worms or silks. Second is viticulture. Viticulture means cultivation of grapes. So the answer to this question is B, viticulture. Next question, who granted a charter to East India Company in early 1960s in order to trade with India? So who granted a charter to East India Company in early 16s in order to trade with India? So the answer to this question is Queen Elizabeth I, that is A. So it was Queen Elizabeth I who ordered or who has given the royal charter to the British East India Company in early 16th in order to trade with India. So option number A is the correct answer. Next question, what is the process in which minerals lying near the surface are dug? So you have to tell me the name of the process in which minerals lying near the surface are dug. So the answer to this question is C, quarrying. Okay, sixth question answer is C, quarrying. Next question is, when did the king of Nepal finally take over as the head of government? So the answer to this question is B, February 2005. So it was in the year February 2005 when the king of Nepal finally take over as the head of government. Next question, class, there is one paragraph given and you have to answer according to this paragraph. Alright, so these type of the questions are called case study, when there is a case given and you have to study it properly as well as you have to answer the questions from the paragraphs. The answers are there in the paragraph. I hope you all have done in a proper way. Number question here, how many levels of codes are there? So you have to tell me after reading the paragraph that how many levels of codes are there. So the answer to this question is 3. So we have learned that there are 3 level of codes are there. Next question, which code is the highest in the state? We all know that it is the High Court which is the highest in the state. Next question, which court is highest in our country? We all know that the highest court in our country is Supreme Court. Next question, each state district is presided over by, it is a district court. We all know that every state, every district is presided over by a district court. And the last question, Supreme Court is located at New Delhi. So the answer to this question is D, New Delhi. So class, I hope all of you have marked the correct answers as well as I hope that you have read the paragraph properly. Alright, and if you have found any corrections in your answer, I hope you can improve yourself in the future upcoming examinations. Thank you.